And then just exhale all air that you have within your being. Just release and let go. And then block your left nostril and breathe in through your right for 4 seconds. Block both nostrils, hold for 8 seconds. Release left nostril or right nostril and breathe out for 4 seconds. And breathe in for 4. And block both nostrils. Release left nostril and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And block both. And release right for 4. And take another deep, beautiful breath in for 4 through your right nostril. And hold for 8. And release left for 4. Now allow your breathing to come back to normal, in and out through your nose. And on the next inhale, intentionally clear your mind. And as you release with a big sigh through your mouth. And just allow your eyes to remain closed. Now allow your breathing to be natural. There's no need to control it anymore. Simply observe the natural, peaceful state of rhythmic oscillations as your stomach moves up and down. And now I invite you to become aware of the presence of your heart and your heartbeat. Just breathe into that. Just breathe into that. And now become aware of your hips in that space. How much of your awareness can you cultivate in this area? Now I invite you to become aware of your neck in the space. How much awareness can you feel in this space? And I now invite you to become aware of the natural flow of your breath. Now Now I invite you to see yourself standing on a patch of land on this planet. There's just grass, no trees, no buildings, no one else in sight. Just inviting green grass. And you standing in the middle of the field. Now I invite you to call upon your I am presence to be with you in this place. And from a space of your I am presence, I invite you to call upon and cognize the space and place of omnipresence and see the whole surrounding where you are turning into bright white light that you can barely see the grass beneath your feet. And just feel the density of this light that's rushing in and through you, all around you, filling this space. And just like mist, this bright white evaporates, and we find ourselves in this space and place of omnipresence.
And as you feel the presence within you and all around you, you are all one with it. Feeling the divine feminine nurturing energy from the bottom, the core of the earth. Feeling it emerging, going up through your pillar of light, starting from your soul star chakra, which is 6 inches. Feel the beat going up through your energy body, through your base chakra, soothing, clearing, transmuting, going up to your navel, up to the solar plexus chakra, and it's traveling up to your heart and your throat chakra, your third eye, and your crown, soothing, releasing, transmuting, clearing all the fields, traveling up to heavens, up to God's source, to the top of the universe. And as you are in that pillar of light, reach the top of the universe, we are asking for the divine yellow golden ray to come down to our pillar of light, to bring in beautiful healing for ourselves. Expand that yellow golden ray all around you in the place where you're living, expanding further in all directions to the area to the country, to the continent, embracing the whole of the earth into a golden yellow light. Soothing, clearing, transmuting. Yourself protected into a wide sphere of light. We will travel along now to invoke healing to places where the vibration is very low, and we're gonna put light there. And let's go. Travel around the globe, protected, safe, bringing that yellow golden light to places where there is no peace. We will invoke peace. Say out loud or quietly in your mind, peace. And with the power of your intention, know that peace is there. Feel into that frequency of that word. Let's do it again. Peace. Travel further along. Love. Tune into that word and invoke love. Travel further along to a place where there is no joy. Let's invoke joy. Feel the transmutation happening in those physical places, in those metaphysical places. This happens in a multidimensional level. Travel further along to places where there is no bliss. Let's invoke bliss. Beautiful. You are safe, you are protected, you are doing this courageous work. Let's travel further to places where there is no calm. Let's invoke calm. As you travel further along, tuning into those words like spells for the whole of humanity. Send love to everyone. Unconditional, pure, divine love. And as you stay there, invoke for the whole of humanity calm. Spread that beautiful yellow golden frequency of peace, joy, bliss, calm, happiness. So beautiful, you are doing amazing. Now you have a reflection from what is happening around in the whole of humanity. You can feel people feeling lighter. You have transmuted part of that energy. You're feeling calmer. We are holding a higher vibrational timeline for the collective. Within that space.
And with that, let's expand. Let's go deeper. Let's peel the onion and go yet another level, another layer for the greatest good of all involved. So take this divine golden yellow ray of energy from its primary source and set your intention to dissolve all negative, bad intentions that is clinging on a personal level to yourself, to your neighbor, to different countries that wants to hold humanity back, that purposefully want to lower the timelines. So see this as a chain around the planet, see the intention that it wants to hold humanity back and wants to keep them trapped. I'll see this chain lighting up with the golden yellow ray and intensify from space and place of omnipresence. We dissolve this heavy chain, and just like a ball that you hold at the bottom of a swimming pool and you release it, it shoots up to the surface. And with that in mind, see the whole planet and all the beings upon it ascend to a whole new timeline as this chain is dissolved. Take a breath into that beautiful. And now from this new place in reality of much lighter energies, let's cultivate and create a new vision that is personal to us. We don't have to share it with anyone. But let's take this moment with the power of omnipresence and this beautiful yellow golden light ray energy from its source. What is your vision for this planet? What do you see happening in the communities? How do you see the transformation of nature, the water bodies, and all that's within it? How do you sense and experience the quality of air that you breathe, the water that you drink, the high vibrational food that you are consuming directly from the planet? I'll see this unfolding in every continent, in every household, starting with your own. See your loved ones, your family, your friends, those you care about, that are the closest to you, also taking part in this vision, consuming this high vibrational food, nourishment, water, and this magnificent quality of air that gives us newfound energy. And breathe in now as you breathe in this vision. Just release, let go this vision that you hold for this planet in this space and place of omnipresence. And so that is. Now let's move on with our vision creation. What solution do you have for current events that's taking place? Send that solution out to the collective that's there. You are the one this planet has been waiting for. Your unique consciousness, your unique perspective. That's why you are here. What solution comes to mind? And it doesn't have to be adopted by many. Someone who needs it, that you've made an agreement with, is waiting for you to infuse your part of the puzzle piece. Send the solution now. So that is. And now let's move on to the next. I invite you to consciously create a bowl of pure energy in front of you that I want you to mold to your own personal specifications, and I want you to place that bowl in your energetic environment, in your spiritual reality. You don't have to see it in the physical, and just know that it was always there. And in this bowl will be known as your transmutational bowl. And let's give it a test run. What is currently in your life that you want to transmute? And see yourself etherically, emotionally. Forget about the physical. Pull out a piece of paper, let it appear out of thin air. You don't need to get it somewhere, it's just there. And see a writing pen or pencil appear in your hand, and just write on this paper what you are ready to transmute. If we want to make scribbles, because we are in a multidimensional space beyond human conceptualization. And then just put that paper into the bowl, and as you put it in, just watch it disintegrate and evaporate, and it's just gone as if it was never existed in the first place. else are you ready to let go of and transmute that you're experiencing in your current reality? And write that down. Old past programs, beliefs, contracts, agreements, oaths. Just write it down and put it into your personal goal of transmutation, and watch it disintegrate, disappear, and vanish. And what are you ready to experience? You can also put that into the bowl of transmutation. It's not just for clearing, it's for any aspect that you are ready to transform. So this is a new tool in your toolbox. Whenever you want to transmute, just come back to this bowl that you have created and write and put it in there and watch it disappear. We are powerful, magnificent beings, and this is one way of fulfilling your destiny.
And as you have experienced this transformational tool today, put it back in your conscious living spiritual toolbox, knowing that you can come back anytime. Finding yourself back on that path that we started earlier in your pillar of light. You know that you have done a powerful healing transmutation for the whole of humanity and for yourself as part of the one. Pull in all of your energy back to you and call out all the energy that you have collected by mistake that is no longer yours. Just watching anything that is no longer yours, transmuting as you take it away from your sphere of existence and multidimensionality. And collecting all your beautiful energy, coming back to yourself, coming back to your spiritual, your mental, your emotional plane, feeling transmuted, feeling changed and transformed into a new way of being. As also seeing the whole of humanity transmuted, you have supported the collective today, and we thank you for your courageous work. And now coming back to self, fully embodying whenever you're ready. Just gently come back to where you're sitting or lying down. Slowly getting your awareness back to your body, back to yourself. And when you're ready, So gently open your eyes and sit in the presence of this new being.
Amazing. Thank you for trusting. Thank you for allowing. Thank you for being in this space and really coming forth and exercising your power that you have as a magnificent creator being. So that was truly magnificent. I didn't want to come back. I don't know about you right now.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for choosing courage over fear and choosing love. And thank you so much for choosing peace. Thank you.
And with that being said, thank you so much for being here. Much love as always. Namaste.
Namaste.
Live long.
And prosper.
Bye for now, everyone.
Bye.